style me. Ungettable, moving doggy doggy. If everybody is the goat, like the fucking black sheep.
Bumbo clap! Just like you ever said. Everybody is the goat. He's the fucking black sheep. Everybody that call themselves the goat. You know what? You know what?
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyreke, aka The Reaction. Boss! Now we have a highly recommended song from y'all, so you know what's about to go down. Right now we want to see Luan fire emojis in the comment section. Yes! No, we're not doing all that today. You understand? Leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe if y'all are new. You see, this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to both the channels now. This is not the reason why you need to subscribe to both channels. You feel me? Anyways, leave a comment to see your comment in next video that I post. Share the video with a friend. Tell everybody who subscribe to Tyreke vlogs to come subscribe to Tyreke Reacts. Okay? We're posting every day on both channels. You understand me? However, we gotta balance out the equation. You feel what I'm trying to say to y'all? So right now, this is highly recommended. This is not an official music video, so I have all purpose to put it over your phone. But when I start my name, Coke container. That's an official music video, so that'll go up on the main channel. Yo, it's what I'm trying to show you now. But anyway, go see what's happening right now. Ckush! Boss it. Freestyle. Run tune! Ready?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, we think of here.
The big bad thing right about jump and the girls are dump. Boss it, girl. Boss it. Anyways, yeah. Not talk about that different. Ckush right here, go on.
Wait, only girl for bust down. Man boss walk with the Johnny boss gun.
Straight. Only girl for boss done. I don't want to see no man doing a bossy challenge. I'm glad say trend done because some man did just start doing it to see people. Some man did just start doing it to see people. I'm like, yo, what you doing about a chatting so they run tune.
Like GRA, yeah, fully custom. Yeah. I don't want to matter pay when you hear the gun sound. Then put one in the pussy. This one and everybody.
Put one in the pussy? What? Why not? I'm not even pull up the song, you know. I'm not even pull up the song. Where you going with? I could come more. Well, I want some more.
Gang bang, gang, it not jam. My shooter is a Hindu, you know the clip ram. Oh God, the bike strip it, he don't talk. Even with street credit to take one car, yo, KV.
We not did just say gang bang. He said more gang bang. Right now, to how we gonna focus on the lyrics here? Put the focus shades on a bit. I saw it, I go stay. We're gonna put the focus shades on because we're gonna focus now. Go on, Ckush.
Puri no shot, then you buy roll off, unstylable, you can't style me. Ungettable, moving doggy doggy. If everybody is the goat, like the fucking black sheep.
Bumbo clap! Just like you ever said. Everybody is the goat. He's the fucking black sheep. Everybody that call themselves the goat. You know what? You know what? You know what? He is the fucking black sheep. Got you!
If she ain't give me fuck, then I got black sheep. Me gal him this death for foul fight. I got him punk cock G. If man
is that a while ago. Hold on. Oh, record a voice note. Oh, come here, say what go on. If you don't realize, I haven't watched this yet, you know. I want to say a little piece of it, you know. I'm trying to watch the video them and tell me the reaction. You know, me like the first time reaction. Yeah, you know, I better go on.
Then no minutes cock cheese, and if he ain't getting heads like Kaya taxi, she moving indecisive. So
if she ain't get, oh no, you got to go home. You got to go home, basically. You got to go home. That's what he's making you know. You got to go home.
You buy hot to follow she. She said, "Bye, you just really fret me."
Yeah.
Then suck it off in the backseat. She said, "The cock sweet." I said, "That's right, that's it." So
she said, "The cock sweet." Same said, "That's right, that's it." Oh, you mean? In the back seat. Back seat. Big up to the girl that would deal with it in the back seat. Good.
Now she see the mic, she side spit. Wait, and I'm a lyrics, them graphics. Scammer them day I saw with my dog bumpy.
Hey, Ckush, you can't call me name in the song and I ain't up on it.
You don't know the fucking order.
Well,
let me tell you this too now. Me stay away for hear my name in one song, you know. And that may I tell you too now. Oh. Me not care. Me not afraid. I can't tell you a while ago, Kush. They can't call your name in one song in a day night. Me not care. Me not afraid of the song. That's why your Tyreke vlogs are the reaction boss. Bumbo to the body of the dog. Just for bad chat, the reaction boss. React to it. You could put that in a bumbo clock, in a freestyle tone and dog. Go on!
Me get back to the track and make a mess of it, cause I the veteran. And if they want it, they could get it. Then I lever and sever in every beat and dog, it's evident. There's somebody better than this. I make a mess of the list. You hear me clear with a list. You can hear when it.
Bumbo clock. Hey, Mr. If I catch you right here, that word, Kush. I'm like it for the whole of that video, dog. Pussy clock. If me and Kush the rapper anyways, so we never expect nothing less, you know. If I check it on the Instagram, you know, Kush the rapper. Kush, look. Alright, so we never expect nothing else but heat.
Hit, it don't get realer than this. Red, how Kush got the lyrics and the hits too. But I got the game in again, jutsu. Coming like Itachi or the fucking black Zetsu. Gun retarded, yeah, the 38 special. Fuck it.
Kush bad! And if Kush bad people want to be a fire emoji in the comment section right now. And if you don't like the video, get more like the video. More drop some fire emojis. People, drop some fire emojis and leave a like on the video. That helps recommend the video to more people. You see me I say, as some people get to find the reaction boss. And right now, you don't need to make sure to subscribe to this channel also. Because when I recommend the song you hard on the main channel, but guess what? I'm going to post over here so I see one I got to know. Subscribe to both channels. You don't know where chat go. I could put on by the shades still. Kush go on bad. If Kush go on bad, people, fire emojis right now. Go on!
Out the guns and busting. Whoa, fuck it. Just bring out the guns and wait.
Hey! I said, let's bring out the guns and bust it. Hey, let's bring out the guns and. Okay. Bumbuk. I done it done already. Them things that I can't take now. Them things that I can't take now. They just will have vibes, you know. They will have vibes, you know.
I don't have no time with you. You ain't got no protection.
So you don't want to listen to me?
I don't go through the real people there.
Okay.
The real.
Okay.
I know. I know you know.
The only reason you know him, right?
Like he's not. It's not Kush friend. It's not friend. I brother.
I'm fucking you.
The man them frost. The
The
man them drunk.
One your party.
When I see you, oh, buckler.
The pussy jumping, feel the blood rush to the pussy pumping, feel the heart beating, my pussy dumping. When I see you, all I see is fuck. Get the F up.
Yo, but don't talk about it. You know what chat go with them song already, dog. You know what chat go from egg ball days, dog. When we went to a song, I'm saying egg ball, me I go play that. And right now, that one, this is actually my favorite song from them. For real, I'm not gonna lie to you. I see you. When I see you, all I see is fuck. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, reaction bar signing out. Yeah, dog. Tune in on the main channel. We're gonna post Asking America to Sing Caribbean Music Part 3. Say less. We're running tune right now. So run tune. Peace out.